Well, we'll be talking now about a few of the tools that you would be using to plant your annual area. If you had a very large area that you were going to be planting, we would certainly recommend thinking about using a tiller to break up the top 4 to 6 inches of the soil. If you have a smaller area, then you can certainly use a regular shovel to do that. Another way that you can break up that top 4 to 6 inches of the soil to prepare for planting is just with a regular shovel. As you can see here, I'm just going to dig down and turn the soil over and use the shovel to break up those clumps. That gets the garden soil nice and soft and ready for our beautiful little annual plants to go in the ground. This is what we call a hard rake, and this is a great tool to use once you've turned your soil over and begun your preparation of your bed. Then you can come in and use this rake to smooth out the lumps and make a nice flat planting surface so that when we put our plants in the ground, our soil's nice and even.